I made this chicken nuggets for my guests during Christmas, and one of my friends saw it. She was like, "Oh, how did you make this? I really like it." I'm like, "Say no more." So I'm here sharing with you guys my chicken nuggets recipe. I have some chicken breast, egg, cornflakes, salt, my mixed spices, and flour, all-purpose flour. First off, I'm gonna chop the chicken into tiny bits. You need to use chicken breast. That's because it cooks really, really fast. Try not to make it big chunks, but a little smaller chunks so that the cooking process can be fastened. For occasions, I like to make chicken nuggets. That's because it's this easy finger food that is yummy, it's entertaining, and nicely presentable. I mean, people will get to wonder, oh, how did you do this? How did you do this? Crunchy on the outside, soft, succulent, spicy on the inside. And speaking of spicy, these are the spices I'll be using. They are my fave. You should know them by now. So first off, I'm gonna use some salt. You wanna season the chicken with some salt, and then we'll go in with the mixed spices. If you have some extra time to spare, you can mix this and let it marinate for about 30 minutes before you proceed with the other process. Now I'll go ahead and crack the eggs I'll be using. 2 eggs is fine. I mean, I don't have so much of the chicken breast, so that is enough. But if you have more, then you need more eggs. Add a little salt, give it a good mix, and set it aside. Some of the remaining mixed spices, I'll add some to the all-purpose flour, give it a good mix, and it's also ready to be used. And for the crunchy feel, you can either use breadcrumbs or cornflakes, but I prefer cornflakes. I've tried both, but cornflakes is my most preferred. So feel free to do you. If you want to use breadcrumbs, that is absolutely okay. But then if you want to use cornflakes, then you're good to go. You either crush it with a mortar and pestle or you put it in your food processor and it does the work for you. And now all the ingredients are ready. Let's begin the fun part, which is the coating. Pick a piece of the chicken, dip it in the flour, just ensure that it's properly covered, and then into the egg. Once it's coated, transfer it to the cornflakes, coat it as well, and it's done. I'll repeat the process again. The flour, the egg. If you want it thickly coated, you can still put it back in the flour, coat it again, take it back to the egg. When it's done, you then put it in the cornflakes mix or your breadcrumbs. That's if you're using breadcrumbs, and it's done. All done now. I'm gonna proceed to fry it. We're gonna be deep frying this. So in my pan, I'm adding some vegetable oil, heat it up to medium. You don't want it to be extremely hot because you need the chicken to cook. Remember, it's raw chicken. So yeah, make sure the oil is averagely okay, and then begin to pick one after the other and put it in. You don't want to pour everything all at the same time because it might stick and it won't come out nicely. So just pick them one after the other and put into the oil. Turn it over after some minutes so it can fry evenly and nicely. Once it's nicely fried and it's golden brown like this, then you know it's ready. Look at how yummy and nice this is looking. I mean, you won't even take your hands off it. Like, you keep eating and eating and eating and eating and eating till the whole plate is done. Frying now the last batch and everything will be done and ready to be consumed. You can make a dip for this. If you like to sauce it, you can make like a pepper sauce kind of a thing and just enjoy it. Maybe even use ketchup or something to enjoy it. If you want to eat it just the way it is, then it's perfect. Can you see how it's looking? Very delicious, very yummy, crunchy on the outside, soft, succulent, tasty, spicy on the inside. So this is chicken nugget, guys. There are different ways people make chicken nuggets, but this is the recipe I've been using to make my chicken nuggets for a while now, and we want to give this a try. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying through with this girl. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till I see you in another video. Bye.